Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I was doing a bit of clearing up in my craft room and I came across this little tree. It's so pretty that I didn't want to throw it away, and I thought, just for a bit of relaxation, why not give it a makeover. I also went into the cupboard and found some of this chalk paint, the Rust-Oleum. However, it's pretty lumpy. I've had it for a while, but I'm going to use it anyway. I wanted to start by giving this a good paint. It might take a few coats, but that's all right. Because the log just looks so tatty. It just needs a facelift. There's nothing wrong with this tree. It's lovely. It's a lovely little tree. I love it. I mean, if it's going to put me in a relaxing mood, then I'm quite happy to sit here and do something with it. Might take one more coat to cover it fully. I'm glad I didn't throw the paint away. It's not good to waste. And anything I can use on a budget, I'm quite happy to do that. So how are you anyway? I hope you're well. I hope you're doing fine. It's that time of the year, Christmas and everything, and you're in a jolly mood. Could do with another coat. I'm not going to do the top because I'm going to fill that in with some moss and anything I can get my hands on. I've got some old moss there that I got off of an old wreath. We'll leave that to dry and come back to it. I've painted it up. It looks rugged, but because it's an artificial log, logs are rugged in appearance. I will now attempt to embellish it, so I can start putting some moss. This is off of an old wreath that I had, and I might as well use it up. It's not in the best shape, but it's still good enough to use because it's so tiny. So what I'll do, I'll just cover the top of the log here, just to hide the brown. So I'll glue all that on there, and then I can bring the tree stems back down to cover it, camouflage it. Yeah, that'll look good. If you do like hauls, DIYs, using what you have from your scraps around the house, please do subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. I'd really appreciate it because I really want my channel to grow. I tend to do a lot of crafting around the house, but then I don't video them, and then when I've finished my projects and have time to look back at them and reflect, I think, oh, this is really nice, I should have videoed that. So I've decided from now on I'm going to really just video my little projects, no matter how small they are. I just thought I will. So I'd be really, really grateful if you would subscribe to my channel. I've left the little balls on there. There's no point taking them off and replacing them. They're in very, very good condition. And also the cones, that's covered up the brown. And I'll just bring the tree stems back down. Such a pretty little tree. But I really just couldn't throw it out. I thought there must be something I can do with it, especially now we're in the Christmas season. I wanted to take some Rust-Oleum paint and just dab it along. Just try and dry brush it a little bit, give it some definition. It's looking very pretty with the white going on there. Really pretty. It's amazing what a little embellishments and little ideas could do. This is very relaxing for me. A lot of the time when I do craft and not video them, this is what I do to relax me. Just craft away. But from now on I'm definitely going to video them. That looks so good already. Goodness me, it's amazing. I got this as part of my birthday present amongst other things, and I was really chuffed. I was really chuffed to get it. I think that's lovely. And I've got some of this cinnamon spice pot puree that I thought I'd rummage through and have a look, see if I can find anything to put on the tree. Look at these baby acorns. Lovely. I think I'll stick some of these on the tree. They smell so good. I love cinnamon. That whole box smells amazing. Just put another couple. That looks very good. Right, and I was thinking of perhaps putting this down the bottom here where it says let it snow. I think that would be nice to put there. So I'll just I've got this star. I'm going to just put some Mod Podge on that and put some glitter. I'll just leave that to settle for a minute and then I can just cover it with some Mod Podge. Alright, while the star is drying, got the Mod Podge on it, I've found this candle holder that I'd like to use to stand the tree on. I don't know if I'm going to leave it black or give it a paint, but what I am going to do right now is take the labels off. I'm using my X-Acto knife to get it off. Please be very careful when you're using the X-Acto knife, it's very sharp. Give this a wash off, give this a bit of a scrub off, clean it up, and then we can make a start of standing it up. It's all cleaned off now, and I've got some really thin twine here. I'm going to wrap the twine around this. I've never used such skinny twine before to cover something, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do right this minute. It's all painted and dried. It's a bit uneven, a bit lumpy because of the glue, the hot glue, but it's fine, it's okay. I like it. I'm going to tie this ribbon around it. I'm just using what I have. This is just out of the stash. I'm not very good at tying bows, but I'll give it my best shot. I'll tie this now. Okay, let's see what we've got here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hot glue it just here. This glue is really hot. Remember, I put the Mod Podge on the star and then I sprinkled the glitter on top. Then I put another coating of Mod Podge, but it was coming up really dull, so I used some of my glitter glue to put on the star. And you know, glitter glue takes quite a while to dry. Yeah, it's still very wet, but it will dry by tomorrow. Put the star on top. There we go. Star is on top. I've got to be careful that I don't smudge the glitter glue. I'm really loving this. I'm loving that. That's lovely. It's lovely. Let's put a little bit of paint on the star. Fine. Yay! That's lovely. All done. I think I might just put this in my kitchen on the windowsill. That's lovely. That's fine. That's fine. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. This was lovely and therapeutic and very relaxing, and I enjoyed it immensely. Don't forget to use what you have. Use up what you have. Look around the house, see what you've got, bits and pieces that you can put together, and that's it. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye.